Marketing is as much of a mindset as it is a system. If you're thinking about getting marketing done, it is about consistently thinking through the systems that need to be in place. So what I hope for you is that you will have an overall structure for the next 12 months, that you'll get really dialed in on Q1, and that from there, you will have the system and strategy in place to make the tweaks and refinements you need for Q2, Q3, and Q4.
I really needed an expert. I really needed not just little tiny tidbits. I need somebody to go, hey, you need a plan. What's your plan? And somebody that had the knowledge to give me a plan, to set me in the right direction. So now I've got this notebook filled with ideas and filled with strategies and actually like implementable actions that I have to take.
I serve different markets, I serve different people, and so coming here is really helpful for me as my business changes to be able to get what I need for the upcoming year, specifically whatever I'm focusing on that year.
Marketing Blueprint has been phenomenal. It is 2 packed days of information, hands-on, but you're also getting some content time, some think time, and then decision time. I love it.
I love what Michelle delivers, the content, the insights, her materials, everything is just so first class, and it helps me drop in and create with intention my own upcoming year for my own marketing and business growth.
I got action steps, things that I can put into place that I can immediately use and walk out with. I got some ideas that I hadn't heard before. Just even a revamping of understanding of what's changed in the social media marketing platforms, the landscape of marketing, and what's being done currently.
She comes in and sort of takes out that work, takes the weight off my shoulders, and gives me a clear vision for my marketing and for my structure, and that is priceless to me.
You can be the example for your audience. When you move forward, you give them permission to move forward. When you're putting content out in your business and you're really reaching your target market, you're giving them permission to move forward with their life. You have tools and products and strategies that you can use that will help them to thrive.